In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deep link in Clickup docs with a table of contents. Whether you're managing a team or just trying to keep your personal projects organized, utilizing deep links and a table of contents in Clickup docs can be a game changer for navigating and referencing your documents efficiently. Let's dive right in and learn how to get this set up. First, you want to head over to Clickup by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the Clickup website. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll want to do that, but for those of you who already have an account, simply go ahead and click on the Login button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Logging in is straightforward. You can either enter your credentials manually, or for an even quicker login process, you can select the option to sign in with Google. Selecting the Google sign-in option will prompt you to choose the Google account you want to use. Once done, you'll be smoothly redirected and signed into ClickUp. After successfully logging into your account, the next step is to open up the Docs section. You can usually find this option within the main dashboard of ClickUp. Once you're in the Docs area, look for the Create Doc button and click it. This will bring up a fresh document where you can begin creating your content. Start by giving your document an engaging and descriptive title. It's always a good practice to have a clear title that captures the essence of what your document is about. Now click on the Start Writing area and begin adding your content. To structure your document effectively, press the slash icon on your keyboard. In many applications, pressing the slash icon invokes a command menu, and ClickUp is no different. Here, select Heading from the available options. Adding headings is very helpful as it not only organizes your document, but also allows for better navigation within the document. Remember, you can add as many headings as you feel necessary to properly structure your content. At the top of your document, leave a space for something that's very useful, a table of contents. With the cursor positioned there, press the slash icon on your keyboard again, but this time type TC to filter options. From the list, select Table of Contents. This will automatically generate a section at the top of your document that lists all your headings, effectively creating links to each section within your document. Incorporating deep links in this way allows for easy navigation throughout your document, making it much more user-friendly and efficient for anyone who needs to reference or collaborate with you on this doc. Now you know how to make your ClickUp docs much more navigable with deep linking and a table of contents, enhancing productivity and clarity. Give this a try in your own ClickUp workspace and see how it can streamline your workflow.